Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the repo ready. Start by confirming branch and unstaged changes with git status so you know what to commit. Next, stage the exact files you intend to include using git add file or git add p to craft focused hunks. This matters because small, logical commits help reviewers and rollbacks. Once staged, verify the index with git status or git diff staged so you can see only what will be recorded in the next commit. Now write a meaningful commit. Start with a concise one-line summary, then add a blank line and a few lines explaining the why and what changed. You can run git commit m, short summary for quick commits, or run git commit to open your editor and craft a longer message. This matters when others need context. Once committed locally, use git log one line to double-check the message and contents so you can amend before pushing if something needs refinement. Finish by sending your commit to the remote. Run git push origin your branch and confirm the push succeeds. If the remote has new commits, make sure to git pull rebase to incorporate them and avoid unnecessary merge commits. Once done, push again. If you must change the last commit, use git commit amend and then git push force with release to safely update the remote. Troubleshooting tip. If push is rejected, fetch, rebase, or merge locally, resolve conflicts, then push.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.